morning, everyone, and welcome to Road to SAP. I am your host, and today I am bringing a very intriguing topic of data security. These days, there is a buzzing word that is the data stealing through the standalone computer. Whenever a computer is given to you and if it is connected to network, some kind of threats are always associated with it. So it is always considered as the first line of defense to detach your computer from any communication network or any internet network, and that will save you from a potential attack. Yes, definitely it saves a lot, but that doesn't mean that it makes your computer foolproof from any kind of attack. The figure image given in front of you is giving you one such scenario, that there is an isolated computer network of an organization, and it is air gapped from all the potential internet connected system. So how it is possible for an attacker who is outside of this organization can access to the data that is stored in an isolated computer system? So there could be multiple way, and some of the ways could be the hand of an insider also, because you need to plant something or other in the standalone computer, so that, or you need to implant something in the system nearby which is connected to the internet, so that some kind of pattern can be recognized and it can expel data from the inside to outside. So in this particular video, I'll not be talking about the scenarios that is possible. There could be a number of scenarios in which data could be expelled, but I'll just give you a holistic overview that what the most of the scenario consist of. It is all about understanding the pattern of the electromagnetic radiations that is emitted by your air gap computer, whether be it their keyboard sound, or the RAMs, or the hard disk the speed, the buzzing sound of your hard disk, whatever, any form of electromagnetic radiation that could be perceived, and that could be used as a medium of data exploitation. But all these data exploitations are having a basic, or that is called the baseline, and that baseline is nothing but the Morse code. If you have not heard about the Morse code, then Morse code is a kind of technology which was used in World War era, where message was passed over telegraphic lines in form of dot and dashes. For example, if something has to be some message has to be passed over this communication line, then it has to be deciphered in form of dot and dash, and then that dot and dash is to form in form of a electromagnetic signal. And on the other hand, the receiver again try to decode this dot and dash and try to frame a meaningful sentences. Okay, so in this particular video, first before starting our demo, I just want to give you a brief pleasure to your ears, and I'll just make you listen to music. So just enjoy this music, and you'll understand that why I'm just telling you this music. So this is a music. See you later. So you heard it, right? So it's very much soothing in nature. And can you understand, can you ever imagine that by just playing a music, I can pass my accomplice that yes, I am sending some data to you, please record this music, and again decipher it and get the data out of it. It's interesting, right? So the entire motive of this particular video is to showcase this capacity, that how I can pass a secret message through such a beautiful song, and which will be heard by someone who wants to steal data, and he will just decipher this song and he'll get the data out of it. So what I did, I just passed a message, I just inserted a message inside this song in form of a Morse code. And if I just and my you can see this is my Python program, and it is just covering that this particular message inside a. So this is a text, and this is his Morse code value. Okay, and this Morse code value is converted to this Morse code web file. So let me make you hear that Morse code file also, and this is the Morse code file. So now this is very much obvious that I'm trying to send some kind of signal to my accomplice. But what if I just push this particular Morse code inside the existing music which you have just heard a few seconds ago. So this is that camouflage second. Now there are two kind of synchronization: the original music plus Morse code, right? So what the other party can do? He'll just try to suppress the noise from this video and extract the Morse code, and again that Morse code can be further converted. See if I just upload it, the Morse code. This is okay. This is the Morse code, and if I just upload it and play, so see, sending music to wall. Now you got it. So this is a very threatening way in which we can expel data from an insider network to the outsider network, and therefore we have to we should not focus only on installing firewall or DLP solution. We should also focus on a number of other things, like how we can block the electromagnetic signal that is going out from your organization, okay, or from your room. Is there some kind of pattern inside it, or is it a random signal? So you have to analyze those as well, okay. And friends, before I just sum up, I just like to thank my dedicated subscribers. Thanks for making me reach to the 1,000. I know I'm very much slow, and maybe because of multiple reasons, because I'm not that much regular, or so I request each and every one of you that please suggest me the topic of video so that I can come up at the regular interval, and at the same time please suggest me the improvement if you think that I need to bring, so that I also want to have an broad access of my channel, and it should benefit all my brothers working in the field of cybersecurity domain. And once again, before ending it, thank you for your support, and please keep loving to my videos and share it to the maximum possible, and subscribe it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks and have a great day.